What's up, dudes? Brian here. Just wanted to let you guys know that we are this close to starting the build on the Silver 636. I've ordered a few little things here and there, just like I said I would to start this build. I started off by seeing if I was going to be able to run these clip-ons, because I feel like that's one of the first modifications that you should do to a big bike once you get it is clip-ons and a windscreen cut. And I didn't really like the angle on the stock clip-ons. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like at a -7 degree. So I did end up just ordering from Matt Glasscock a pair of his clip-ons, which are fine. They're pretty much the cheapest ones on the market too, and I'm not just saying that because it's Cox, but they're the cheapest ones. So I ended up ordering a pair of those, and then I ended up running over and getting, of course, some mesh tubing for, I already know you guys know it, the clean air mod. It has to be done on these 0304s before these things are 12 o'clock or whatever. So that's another must-have before we're really stunting on this thing. You know, the cage, the sub cage, the handbrake, a dented gas tank, the cut seat, and the whole, like, all that stuff comes in time, I guess. Or you don't need it right away. But stuff that you need right away, at least in my opinion, definitely getting rid of these weird 7-degree clip-ons. This is total like a race bike. I don't know. You can wheelie on it, yeah, but I'm gonna get rid of them and replace them with that. And then of course the clean air mod. So looking forward to just knocking out probably a 3-in-1. You know, do all 3 in one day and then post the videos right away. In between the windshield cut here, the new clip-on starting, and the clean air mod. So just wanted to give you guys an update. Want to let you know I didn't forget about it. So, all right, guys, it's Brian636 saying peace out, and should be getting started soon.